Grandview Elementary presents Water Fountain Expectations. Problem solve. Act safely. Work together. Show respect. Let's watch how these Grandview Tigers do it the right way. While waiting your turn to use the water fountain, use voice level 0 or 1 and stay in your personal space. Wait patiently. Keep masks on over mouth and nose. Keep 6 feet of a personal space bubble. Keep hands, feet, and materials to self. Fill water bottle and walk back to class. And now, the wrong way. Show your paws by following the water fountain procedures. Way to go, Grandview Tigers!